This is a really quick video to follow up some discussion on the UKFR about special function channels on the DB04r module. I only have a 1 to 12 remote. However, I know from the teardown that the binary weightings equivalents connect to the data lines of the chipset. So you have a chipset that has 4 data lines, and then you can put effectively the same binary codes into those 4 data lines, and you get the equivalent number out. So for example, to fire channel 3, you would put 1 and 2 in binary, so you get 2 lines going on. So I know that 1, 2, 4 and 8 on my controller connect directly to those data lines. So if I prove that, you've got to do this together or it might not work. So 1 and 2, if I press together, will give you 3 and also 1, because obviously the remote bounced, so it didn't. So obviously, there we go, so you just get 3. So that means now I know that 1, 2, 4 and 8 are connected directly to data lines. I can now use that to make the other numbers beyond 12. So 13 obviously is 8, 4 and 1. So if I try and press them all together, you can see all of them have done something. They're flashing, but I don't know what that's supposed to be doing. So 13 does something clearly if I just reset that by pressing 1. 14, which of course is 8, 4 and 2. So I'll try and press those together. That's all fire mode. And 15, which is the highest I can do, which of course is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Can I press them all together somehow? And that's sequential fire. But you can see I must have pressed, I didn't press them all together because one of them fired on the end there, which shouldn't have fired. So let's try it again. There we go. So that is sequential fire. Now I can only go up to 15 because obviously I only have the chipset in here only has 4 data lines. So I can only do the binary weightings up to 15. There is another chipset which has more data lines. So it'd be interesting to see if you can get beyond 15, whether like 16, 17 and 18 have special functions, or whether that just goes back to ordinary queues. I don't know. But that's an interesting little experiment.